G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Aussie Camp Dad. I've just received my oil catch can from Western Filters, so we'll pop this open and we'll see what we've got in here. Invoice. So you got your checklist. Everything's been ticked off. How good's that? Little thank you gift. Thanks Western Filters. I was not expecting that. Got your catch can. That's your drain hose. These are your adapter hoses. So this is all built to slot straight into the DMAX. And then we've got our, geez, that's pretty bloody good. That's like 3mm. And then a bracket. 3mm steno, that's impressive. Hose clamps, I think we've got a sticker in there as well. And then just a service sticker. So that's the other thing that I'll have to keep on top of is filter change outs. So just in front of the brake booster is where the bracket goes. So we've got to undo this bolt that the air filter mounts to, this bolt, and then there's already a threaded one down there that they give you a bolt to bolt it into. So we'll undo these two and then get the bracket fitted. Alright, bracket's in. So a hot tip for bolting anything up or is don't, like, once you get one in, don't do it up tight. Wait till you got the others in finger tight and then do them up somewhat tight, and then once it's sort of secure in position, then you can go around and crank each one up to however tight you think it needs to be. Alright, so the bracket, this part, when it comes in the box it'll just be in whatever position it's in, but basically this part here locks in there. So you pull that out, it might feel like you're going to break it, but it's fine. And then that'll make this bracket loose enough for you to orientate the clamp into the right position as it says on the instructions. And then you just clip that back on. Pretty sure I've got that right. Yep. There we go, that's solid. So that's the way it's supposed to be. The outlet's at the front, the bracket at the back, and the cap back on. Right. Mount the catch can to the bracket.
Okay. Open up. Very close to the airbox. Very snug.
Yeah, that fun part. That's got to come off there. Off there. These are always fun to take off. Usually you lose a bit of skin. Oh, there we go. Perfect. That one's off, that's the OEM one. So we've got to fit this one first.
use these. Oh. Is that one on? Gotta get the other one. Oh, did I miss it? Yeah, I missed it. There we go. Okay. And then a couple of cable ties. I'll have to trim that because that's pretty sticking out a long way. Some of that one, I might trim it just that way. Yeah. I don't want it rubbing on here either. The other one looks alright. This one's just sticking out a bit. Get on here. What did you get? There we go. Chop. Come on, chop, chop. There we go. Yeah, just had to cut about 20 mil, 25 mil. Yeah, that's sitting better. Get that back on. One more tie. Yeah, it's not rubbing on anything there, that's perfect.
Trim these. Always use flush cuts when you're trimming cable ties, because next time you have to reach in there or down past there, you're not going to end up with a dirty big scar, track marks up your arm because it's real sharp. You'll just get that from all the other shit that's in there. So that's all in. Well, I'll show you the drain now. Alright, so that's all in. Nice and neat. I'll show you the drain. See, there's a M10 nut in behind there, and then I've just cable tied this to here because if it's not, it'll rattle, and then I'll end up pulling over and going, where's that noise coming from, and freaking out. But yeah, you do have to trim the hose. They give you excess hose, so just trim it. Yeah, there you go, all done. Thanks for watching that one. That was just I think the whole job probably only took me less than half an hour. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.